I'm Huw Stephens and I'm proud to support Dydd Music Cymru. Well, Dydd Music Cymru is a day to celebrate Welsh language music. It's a day for everybody, for people who might not have heard Welsh language music before, and to highlight and put a spotlight on all the incredible talent and all the brilliant music made in Welsh in Wales, for people in Wales and for people all around the world to hear as well. There's a lot of gigs happening on the day in places like this, in Clwb Ifor Bach in Cardiff, the legendary venue up the road, in Castle Emporium as well, but gigs all across Wales too, so it's a chance for the live music scene to thrive as well. Hopefully the day will be a big success like it has been before, and we urge everyone to spread the love and spread the music by using the hashtag Dydd Music Cymru, which is Welsh of course for Welsh Language Music Day, and to get involved, and hopefully people will hear this brilliant music.